Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the word study lesson. We are talking about the syllable types. We can use syllable patterns to help with our reading and spelling. Remember that a syllable is a word chunk with one vowel sound. We learned about 6 syllable types: CVC, closed syllable; open syllable, R-controlled; VCE, vowel team, and CLE. So let's go over the rules one more time for all of those syllable types. So if I have a CVC syllable, like in the word hymn or trash, single vowel is followed by one or more consonants, and the sound is short. So like in the word hymn, there is a vowel right in here, 2 consonants on the sides. They're closing that vowel. That's a closed syllable. Trash, the vowel is the A, and it has a short sound. The open syllables, the single vowel is at the end of a syllable, and it has a long sound, like in the word he or remote. Remote, right? Remote. The first syllable has an E at the end, so this is the open syllable. Then we have the R-controlled syllables, one vowel that is followed by an R. It could be AR, UR, IR, ER, or OR, right? Those are all R-controlled syllables. So here we have the ER and shark, AR. So those are R-controlled syllables. VCE are the ones that have the vowel consonant E at the end. There is a silent E, and that E makes the vowel that I say its name, hide. If that E was not in there, that would be hid. So hide is a VCE word. Vowel teams are the ones that use more than one vowel, and they work together to make one sound. In the word here, E and A, they work together, here. And then the word lead has a vowel team also, lead. And the last one, the last syllable type is CLE, consonant LE, always at the end of the word, and we never separate the consonant LE. So like in these words, circle and bubble, CLE at the end of the word circle is the CLE syllable, and bubble, B is a consonant, LE, CLE. So now that we refresh our knowledge about these syllable types, let's have a look at some of the verbs. Let's read those verbs first, okay? Glide, circle, march, force, read, team. Okay, and now what we need to do, we need to split them into syllables. So let's try. I usually ask you guys to use your hands and clap. Glide, that is one syllable. Then we mark the vowels, right? Glide, I put the dot underneath the vowel, and I can already see that this is VCE, vowel consonant E. All right, the next word is circle. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word circle. Circled. So there are 2 syllables. We have to split the word into syllables. We need to mark the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So I is a vowel and E is a vowel. The first syllable before the line, sir, that will be an R-controlled syllable because it's IR. So R-controlled. And CLE, CLE. Okay? The next word is march. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word march. March. Just one syllable. Very good. Mark the vowel. And I already see that it's AR, so it's R controlled. The next word is force. How many syllables do we have in the word force? Force. Just one. Marking the vowels. A, E, I, O, U, the vowel is right in here. And here, I see O, R. So this is R controlled. and I can just write abbreviation, the shorter version, or cont and then a period. I don't have to write the whole controlled word. All right, 2 more words. Read. Read. 1 syllable, 2 vowels. I see 2 vowels working together to make 1 sound, so this is vowel teams. Vowel team, and then team. Ready? Team. Again, 1 syllable. A lot of 1 syllable words today. Only circle had 2 syllables. And team is vowel team also. All right. Very nice. So now you guys know how to divide the words. You know the syllable types. So before we finish, let's go over the rules. So what do we do when what do we do with a CVC word when we want to add a vowel suffix? We have to make sure we double the final consonant. So if I have the word drop, that is a CVC word, I have to remember about doubling the final consonant. So drop, dropped, dropping, double the P. What about the word VCE or CLE word? How do I add those suffixes ED or ING? Let's have a look. Yes, I need to drop the E and then add the either D or ING. So the word glide is a VCE word. So glide, gliding, gliding. And then if you look at the word that falls into CVVC category, like the word shout, right? If you look at the word shout, we have O and U. So this one will be CVVC, shout, or vowel teams. I just have to add ED and ING. So shout, shouted, shouting. Thank you so much. Keep up the good work, guys.